creating a form to collect information is really, really simple. So let's get started. So here, you just simply click on the launcher there and go to Forms. Remember, if it doesn't show up right here, All Apps. But here, we're just going to click on Forms. I'm going to show you one that I did earlier, but it's very simple to do. So this is the form that I've already created, and I've put in a couple responses, but here you can see you just put in a title, and then you just go through here and add whatever questions you need to add. Okay? It's literally that simple. If you want to add a theme, you just click on the theme. Say, I want that theme. Beautiful, right? You can click on preview and see what it looks like. That's nice, looks nice. Then you can actually submit information. We're just going to put in some bogus information, and you can put in all types of, validators to make sure all the data that you're putting in is accurate and all of that stuff. But we're just going to do this pretty simple here. And then you can just say here, open it in Excel. Let's go ahead and click on that, and that will open up. Now just remember, we're collecting name and address in this example. Just make sure that you're on a system that the security allows you to have, PII and CUI information. So here, you can see here, it collects the start time, how long it took them to go through the form, their email, name, right? Now this is the name. These two names are from their Windows environment. And then you can see if it's different here. Maybe they registered for somebody else. Then you've got, nothing street and city. You can do with this data as you please. Very, very simple. The last thing to really review is how do I collect the information, get people to actually submit. Most organizations will only have these two on. Most people use this, only people in my organization can respond. If you have this one, that means that literally anybody in or outside of your organization can respond, but it's typically locked down. Then you can send it via email or link. Usually I just do a shortened URL, hit copy, and then you can send it via email. And when they get it, you can see here, we're just going to go in. This is what it looks like. Beautiful, looks great. Now I can just put in, and as they put in, notice now we have 4 responses. It's just going to go ahead and collect the information for you, and you can do with it as you please.